Okay, this is Vicky, my very, very, very fat hamster. Okay. See, the problem is she's not moving like a lot, and it takes her like ages to go out of this place. Vicky? Vicky? Okay, now she's trying to go out, but she have given up